Okay, so far we've been sketching with pencil and paper and pen. What I want you to do today is explore sketching on the computer. So on your desktop, I want you to find the Autodesk Inventor 2019 icon. Go ahead and double click that to launch it. Once you have it open, your start screen should look like my screen here. If it doesn't, just click on the home button up here, and that should take you to your home screen, which is what you're looking at right now. If you slide over a little bit, you'll see where it says Learning Path. Go ahead and click on Learning Path. That'll take you to this path of different Autodesk properties. So you have Sketch, you create parts, you assemble those parts, and then you make dimension drawings for those parts. We're going to start with sketching. So you go ahead and click where it says Sketch. And there's a series of steps that it wants to take you through. Go ahead and watch the Get Started with Sketch tutorial.
This video introduces the basic concept.
So then once you finish watching that, go to tutorial number 1. It'll tell you what you're going to learn, so you might want to take notes on these things in your notebook. You'll start this tutorial. And you'll notice what happens is the screen changes to this sketching environment. Over here on the side it'll say tutorial. So anytime you want to get to the tutorial, just click the tutorial tab. Here's a series of steps that they're going to take you through in order to learn how to use Autodesk Inventor in order to sketch. There's a video for you to watch that'll kind of guide you through these steps here. You can watch it right here by just clicking the start button. Although it's pretty small here, so what you might want to do is go ahead and click the pop-out button. That way you can watch it larger on your screen. There's no audio, so if you can't hear anything, it's because there is no audio to it. If you want to return it, you can just go ahead and either close it and it'll return, or you'll notice there's a little Restore Video button right here. And I'll go ahead and put it back over here in this side panel. Now read through the questions, and if they're asking you to do something and they're going to guide you through finding it, you'll notice there's a little red arrow appears because that's where they want you to go. So they ask you a question, and then here they're going to guide you through how to complete the answer to that. So now they're going to ask you to try it. Another question. This tells you where to find it. There'll be some tasks you need to complete. And again, they're going to guide you through where to find these things. Once you complete all the tasks, excuse me, just go to where it says Next Task. And again, there'll be a video you can watch that'll help you understand what they're asking you to do. There'll be a series of steps. Each one that has this little symbol will kind of point to where you need to go. Kind of walk through there. So you notice this one has that little symbol, so it's going to guide you to the tool they're talking about. So if you're having trouble finding the trim tool, you just hover over it and it'll show you that the trim tool is right here. You'll see that little red arrow appear. So go ahead and work through these tasks. Once you complete the first step, go ahead and go on to step number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, this should guide you through how to begin sketching in Inventor. So how do you sketch on the computer versus sketching on paper? Thank you.